That's my hand. So I've got this trailer torn apart. I'm gonna put some cross members in it and some new suspension. So stick around, I'll see if I can speed it up a little bit for you. I hope you like that fast motion. It was a little bit slower in real time, but it's about right. So I've got to measure up, lay out for the axles, and then I'll prep the axles, and then we'll fab those in too, and then weld it up when she's done. So hope that makes some sense. It's just a little quick video on how I framed in this trailer. So Besse Custom Fab, like my videos, subscribe, rock and roll.